Ooh, I'm hungry, but it is so hot. Let me show you how I made this chicken salad right quick. All right, so at this point, it was like 100 degrees in my kitchen, so I was a little irritated. But I'm going to snatch this chicken bag open real quick, and then I'm going to take out the chicken breast, remove the skin, and I'm going to also use just one thigh from this chicken and also remove the skin. So then I'm going to take the chicken, place it, and I'm going to chop it up into my desired size. You chop it how you want to chop it. Some people like it really fine. I like my chicken salad a little chunky. So we're going to put that all in this bowl, and I'm going to also add some olives, red onions, pickles, parsley, celery, and bacon. Then let's add some mayo, some regular mustard, some grain mustard for texture and flavor. Then you got to put your seasonings. Do not skip out on the seasonings here. Because the pickles and the olives also have a little salt, I literally just used a pinch of those last two. And I'm going to give this a good mix until it's the texture that I desire. And here it is. I like mine a little chunky. Like I said, I don't like to necessarily have it like tuna. But it's good like that too. And then I'm going to use some crackers here on the side. Had to have me a little taste test, make sure it tasted right. And put some fruit. And baby, we had dinner.